I've made over $200 by selling my AI-generated art, and you can do it as well. Wirestock is the platform that lets you easily generate and sell AI images from one single place on all major stock websites like Adobe Stock, 123RF, FreePic, and others. Here is how. Head over to Wirestock and create an account. Click on AI Tools and AI Image Generator. Type your prompt, choose the aspect ratio, optionally add a theme, and hit Generate. Choose any generated image and click Post. Optionally check the box to sell your prompt as well and post the image for sale. You don't need to worry about the title, descriptions, or tags. Wirestock will get them sorted for you and upload your images on your behalf on all available marketplaces. If you already have images made with other AI generators, click on the upload button, choose your source, and upload the image. Make sure that the image resolution is high or upscale it with Wirestock. Check the box for the AI generated content, optionally select the tool you use to create the image, and click Post. It's that simple. You can also take part in daily challenges and stand a chance to win some nice cash prizes. Get started for free and upgrade to Premium AI for more image generations, marketplace submissions, and advanced AI tools. And get 20% off on any plan if you use my special code. You know where to find the link.